Hello, my name is Aaron Ankrum and this presentation is entitled Establish Purpose. My purpose is to inspire families through my strengths of personal responsibility and consistency to produce harmonious relationships within our communities. I will fulfill my purpose through my personal goal of becoming debt-free, my academic goal of obtaining a Bachelor of Arts in Finance, and my career goal of becoming a practicing family law attorney. My long-term personal goal is to become debt-free. Financial stability is one of the many factors to a free and successful life. Financial advisor Dave Ramsey said you must gain control over your money or your lack of it will forever control you. Having the burden of enormous amounts of debt is like the Greek Titan Atlas, condemned to hold up the celestial heavens for all eternity. By living through example of becoming financially responsible, I can inspire others to do the same. Financial problems contribute to increased tension and stress within relationships and personal achievements. Partnerships cannot win with money unless they budget as a team. By establishing disciplined spending habits and budgeting, financial goals are easily obtainable, but one must be vigilant and self-aware to keep predatory spending habits at bay. Establishing self-discipline is a potential obstacle in obtaining financial freedom. Procrastination and luxury spending can easily hinder me from lifting my financial burdens. Through my strengths of responsibility and consistency, I can avoid the Sisyphean task of acquiring more debt as I'm trying to pay off past debts. It's like continuously rolling a boulder up a steep hill without ever reaching the summit. My long-term academic goal is to graduate from University of Central Florida with a Bachelor of Arts in Accounting and Finance. As stated earlier in my presentation, I'm passionate about financial stability and freedom. I'm a paralegal in a family law firm, and one of my main duties is reviewing clients' portfolios. As an aspiring family law attorney, financial literacy is critical. Economic hardships and financial distress can have devastating effects on families. With a background in accounting and finance, I will be able to advise individuals on investments, debt, budgeting, and taxes. Having the ability to make informed judgments and effective decisions regarding the use and management of money will allow me to assist others. A potential obstacle in obtaining my degree will be finding a balance between work and school. I'm currently working a full-time job as a paralegal and a part-time on the weekends as a waiter while enrolled in Valencia. I will have to hone in on my strengths of responsibility and consistency to execute effective time management and scheduling. Balancing your professional life and personal life can be challenging, but it's essential. My long-term career goal is to become a family law attorney. Once I graduate UCF, I will go to law school. As stated before, I'm a full-time paralegal at a family law firm, so I have the appropriate background and passion for this industry. I thoroughly enjoy research and case law, and merging this with my passion for families and community, this career is right up my alley. My major in finance will be an asset in family law. Obviously, divorce attorneys do not bring families together, but help counsel their clients on what is fair and just in the court of family law. Divorce can be very contentious, but as an attorney, my job would be to pursue the best possible outcome for my client's future and children. I would encourage my clients that the way forward is through compromise. Results are only possible when we strive to resolve our differences. My biggest obstacle that would prevent me from reaching my goal is time. I'll have to work a full-time job to support myself throughout my whole academic journey, and if I do not have the resources or time to complete school, that could hinder my future. Through my themes of consistency and responsibility, I must cultivate efficient time management skills by carefully scheduling work and school. Time is of the essence. Valencia will help me accomplish these goals by being the university I used to complete my Associate of Arts degree and to graduate to University of Central Florida. The very first step to fulfilling my personal purpose mission or completing any of my long-term goals will be to graduate with my Associate of Arts degree in Valencia. Everything in my future is predicated on that first. It has been a pleasure and thank you for joining me.